Hello and welcome to SUNYCobyNews for the spring 2025 semester. I'm Emma Mercilliott. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for joining us. You might start to notice more people on campus in the upcoming week, and it's not just because of nice weather. The first Accepted Students Day is coming up on April 5th. Accepted students will be invited to campus to get a glimpse of what their college experience will look like here at SUNY Cobleskill. Students and parents will be able to meet their professors and discuss future courses and connect with campus resources like financial aid and CASE. Accepted students will also be able to look at clubs and organizations on campus and talk with current students in clubs and their programs. Accepted Students Day will be held on April 5th and April 26th, starting at 10 a.m. If you are an accepted student, make sure to register for Accepted Students Day, April 5th and April 26th at cobleskill.edu/admissions/ASD. The Van Wagenen Library and the Honors Program are asking students to showcase their work at this year's Student Showcase. The 2025 Student Showcase will be April 24th from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Students are able to enter poster presentations, demonstration, video clips, displays, and writing to showcase. This gives students the opportunity to show peers and staff projects they have been working on. If you're interested in entering your work, register by April 11th at cobleskill.edu/library/SRS. Spring in here, and so is pollen. Walking around campus, you may notice trees and flowers are starting to bloom. Pollen is one of the most common triggers to seasonal allergies, according to the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. Those who have pollen allergies may experience symptoms such as sneezing, congestion, runny nose, red and watery eyes, swelling around the eyes, and even shortness of breath and wheezing. Unfortunately, for those who do experience pollen allergies, late March and early April are considered peak pollen seasons, but there are ways to help combat springtime allergies. The Center for Disease Control recommends limiting time outside when pollen counts are high, avoiding touching your face, especially outdoors, showering after being outside to remove pollen from hair and skin, and checking the pollen count for your local area. To check your local pollen count, you can visit the American Academy of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology website at aaai.org. For more weather, stay tuned for our weather update from Vlassis Karathomas. The communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're bringing to you right here on SUNYCobyNews. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNYCobyNews from the video production facilities here on the SUNY Cobleskill campus. Stay with us.
No cell phone service, no television or internet connections, no electricity, and in some DEC Adirondack campgrounds, no roads either. Forked Lake is just one of the 52 campgrounds that you can explore in the Adirondack Mountains of New York State. This facility is a primitive camping experience. Each site is outfitted with just the basics. You've got to hike trails or paddle a canoe to get to each site, putting you right in the middle of the area's natural beauty. Too rustic for you? That's okay. The DEC offers a wide variety of experiences, including island camping, tent and trailer sites with electricity and running water, boat launch facilities, hiking trails, beaches, and more. And it's all just a click away. To find out more and to start planning for your next Adirondack adventure, log on to www.dec.ny.gov. You'll find all the information you need to start enjoying the great Adirondack outdoors in upstate New York.
Welcome back to SUNYCobyNews. I'm Emma Mercilliott.
Oh, hi, I'm Vlassis Karathomas, and we're here to talk about the weather, right?
Yeah.
Right? That is what we're talking.
Yeah. Yeah. The weather.
Yeah.
And it's the first day of spring.
Yeah.
It's getting warm.
Yeah, it's been like a crazy past few days, considering like it's been like pretty warm the first day, and then it gets pretty cold the next,
Yeah. It's upstate New York for you. Yeah.
I guess. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at today's current weather conditions. So, for our current weather conditions, it's going to be 64 degrees. The ISIC says before 67 degrees. The winds are going to be coming to the south at about 14 miles an hour. So just be a little careful about how you're driving because it might go up every now and then. You never know. Later tonight, we're going to see some scattered showers and the temperature is going to drop at 29 degrees with the winds coming in about 21 miles per hour. So we are going to see an increase as the day continues. And going into tomorrow for Saturday, we're going to have 51 degrees. It's also going to be raining throughout most of the day. You might not, but you never know. Winds coming in at 18 miles an hour. So, yeah. On Sunday, hey, look at that. For all you Christians out there, it's going to be a nice Sunday morning. So be in your Sunday best. It's going to be 41 degrees. You might want to coat, probably because the winds are going to be about 13 miles per hour. And let's go ahead and take a look at Mondays. Would you look at that? It's going to be raining and snowing on Monday. Monday really is just the worst, isn't it? Garfield was right, folks. Garfield was right. Anyways, it's going to be 46 degrees with some mild winds. Let's go take a look at our extended forecast. Tuesday, 43 degrees. It's going to be a cloudy day, followed by Wednesday. We're going to have 38 degrees with some rain and snow showers again. And just like what I was talking about, it's going to be Thursday, 44 degrees, partly cloudy, moving into tomorrow. It'll drop a bit to 43, but still going to be cloudy. And then moving on to Saturday, it's going to be 44 degrees and cloudy again. Man, upstate New York is wild where it feels like it.
Yeah. Thanks, Vlassis, for that weather update. We'll be back with more news after these messages. Hello and welcome back to SUNYCobyNews. I'm Emma Mercilliott. Thanks for joining us. Hungry students and staff venturing into the Van Wiegenen library building were in luck. The annual mac and cheese contest highlights a wide range of styles for free for people to sample and vote on. As soon as you open the library door, you were hit with the inviting scent of the various concoctions. Categories for the contest include winners for best tasting, most unique, and cheesiest. Library organizers say that this annual contest is just one of the ways to let folks know about what's going on in the library.
Events like this get people to come into the library. It shows that the library is fun and welcoming, and we hope that people will come back to the library for library things, not just magazines.
So you don't miss events like this and the mac and cheese contest. Here's a list of things going on this week at SUNY Cobleskill. Monday, March 24th, Jewelry Box Craft Night from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the Unity Center. Tuesday, March 25th, Nostalgia Bingo from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. in Balk Theater. Wednesday, March 26th, Charity Volleyball from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the gym. Thursday, March 27th, Period Palooza from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. in Balk Theater. For more information about the events around campus, make sure to check out Coby Engage and download the Cork app. That's all for this edition of SUNYCobyNews. Live from SUNY Cobleskill, I'm Emma Mercilliott. Starting April 7th, we'll be here each Monday and Wednesday, coming to you from right here in the video production studio located on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library Building. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit www.cobleskill.edu today. You can also find the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Following the hashtag SUNYCobyCom will also help you stay up to date on our COM program activities, including our new agricultural communication program. Once again, I'm Emma Mercilliott, and thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon, again on the next episode of SUNYCobyNews.